30 miles an hour limit on a country road. We've got a couple of cyclists up ahead. I've already seen them. One on the outside is nicely illuminated. That's often going to be the case. If only one has got the light, they should be the one sitting on the outside. Let's just see how they deal with this. Do they need to be taken up a primary position and ride two abreast at the moment? Yes.
But I think this is going to cause issues with the new updates to the highway code. And that's if some cyclists choose to ignore the other advice which has been updated to say that they should move back to single file to allow faster moving traffic to overtake.
Does that then stop me from giving them a proper 2 meters space on this faster speed limit? Well, it does. So just because they can ride two abreast doesn't mean you should be doing it always. You should still appreciate the flow from other people. Still can't overtake.
The cyclist on the outside did also raise his hand to thank me for giving them space.
Just remember everyone, cyclists can and should on occasions ride two abreast. It's not a problem. Give them as much space and care as you would do overtaking a car. Even if they were one abreast there, I personally don't think I would have gone any earlier. Little beep of the horn is key. No problems. Do it safely. The humans at the end of the day. Don't treat them any other way.